Hey there, Sharon Yuloff here with Yuloff Creative. This may not work because I'm having a hard time seeing my screen, but I kind of wanted you to see the scenery behind me. So we'll try it. Let's see what we can do. So for those of you that don't know, we are trying to change our YouTube channel. So Hank's been using his YouTube channel for many years now, and that's where most of the videos go. So rather than starting all over and losing all that traction that we have there, we're just going to rename this channel. So we actually had already gotten a unique URL. You can kind of sort of see it back here. And I had tried to disable that one in order to create a new one, and that didn't work so well. It didn't happen for whatever reason. But there's this other option to choose a brand, and I can't find my, there it is, to choose a brand. So we're going to try that and see if that works. So I'm going to show you how that's done. And if you're seeing this video, it means it worked. And if you don't see this video, then it never happened. Okay, so the first thing it says is, I'm going to scroll down here, see if it's already connected. So no, it's not. See, it says no other. So, so here's how you do that. Here it is, an existing brand account. A different name for your channel than your Google account, which is good, because Hank still needs his Google account, but we can manage it from the Google account, which is awesome. So you can only move your channel to a brand account that's owned by your Google account. So I don't know if that's going to, this is why I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. Create a new brand account with your Google account, then connect your YouTube channel, signed into YouTube on the computer using a mobile site. That's what we have. Go to your channel list. So let's see what that channel list is. Okay, so they want me to create a new channel. Let's see if that's the right thing. Yes, click create a new channel. Okay, create a new channel. To create a new channel, create a brand account. This brand account can have a different name than your personal account, for example, a business name or another name that you choose. The brand account name, Creative. Actually, okay, so Yuloff Creative, and then where's my cursor? Here we go, create. It's a little slow because I'm using wireless for one thing, and I'm using some bandwidth to do this video to show you what I'm doing online. So, so this will not appear on your channel to add content, upload video. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's see. Fill out the details to name the brand account and verify your account, then click done. This creates your new brand account. Use the account switcher in the top right to sign into your personal YouTube channel, the one you want to move to the brand account. Okay, let's not go that far. Fill out the details to name the brand account and verify your account, then click done. Well, I don't see that. Uploads only you can view. I don't see what they're telling me to do. What? Fill out the details to name the brand account and verify your account, then click done. This creates your new brand account. I think it's already there. So, okay, it's there already. I don't really understand. What's the next? Use the account switcher in the top right to sign into your personal YouTube account, the one you want to move to the brand account. Note, it's important that you are signed into the channel you want to move to the brand account rather than being signed into the brand account. This will ensure that your channel is not unintentionally deleted during the move. That would be bad. Go to your advanced account settings, which is where we are right here. So I think I need to refresh this page here. But I'm concerned that it will take this information away. Okay, let's see if I can remember this in case it goes away. So we're going to refresh this page. I may need to re-enter the password. And then down here, it should show up here so that I can select it. Okay, that's fine. We don't mind deleting other things because there's nothing there yet. Check your channel name will appear after moving, then click Move Channel to add a channel manager. Follow the instructions to add channel managers. That would be great, because then I could also manage it. All right, let's see what happens when we hit refresh. Well, I hope that while it's refreshing, you get to at least enjoy the view behind me. Okay, enter the password. Oh, yeah. I don't remember what the password is. Actually, I might. Let's see if I get this right. I got it right. Look at that. Connected brand account. Okay, so I'm really confused. So choose the account only. Only brand accounts owned by this account will appear below. Learn more. No other accounts available. But I want, oh, it's already here. See, it already says here, Yuloff Creative, my channel now. I'm going to scroll further. There we go. Accounts that already have a YouTube channel, click to learn more. My channel after the move. My channel now. Okay, so that's fine. Connected brand account. Okay, let's see if I can go back to the learn more and see if it tells me something. Where's my cursor? There it is. Okay, movies, brand account. Where's my cursor? Check to see if your channel is already connected to a brand. It is. If your channel is not, if your channel is already connected, you can add channel managers or follow the steps below to move the channel to a different brand. Okay, I don't want that. If you just want to change the name, okay, well, we already did that. You can add channel managers. So let's see if I can do that. Change channel owner and manager. If you aren't able to follow these instructions, you are likely using the old version of YouTube. Channel is linked to a brand account. Multiple people can manage the channel from their Google accounts. You don't need a separate username or password to manage YouTube channels with a brand account. Okay, we'll do that. That's fine. Oops. Yikes. I don't mind subscribing to their help, but I kind of want to be able to still see what I'm doing. Yes, I'm sure. Thank you for asking. Okay, but now can we go back to what I was doing? Here it is. Okay. Before you start, you'll only see the option to change owners and managers if your channel is linked. Learn how to check to see if your channel is connected. Kind of move your channel. I don't want to view or add people. That's what I want. Where's my cursor? Okay. Only the owner of a brand account can grant people on your YouTube. Sign in as the owner. In the top right, click the account icon as the channel you want to manage. Go to the channel's account settings. Click add or remove managers. Okay. Well, I don't know that you care about that. because I can do this part. Oh, maybe you do care. Do you care? Do you guys have different people that might manage the same brand account? What I do know is it's really hard to see, so I'm going to move this into the other room. Well, now you have a different view, but at least now maybe I can see my cursor. Won't lose it quite so often. Okay. So I'm still not sure that this did what we wanted it to do. Go to the channels account settings. So, see, now I lost what it was that we were. What are those instructions? Darn it. Oh, here, add or remove. Oh, you can't see that here. Sorry, it's below the thing here. Okay, add or remove managers. Manage permissions. Primary owner, that's fine. Oh, here, add. Yes. Choose a role. Oh, no, manager, because I want Hank to own it so that we can change his name. Okay. So now, let's see, edit account info. Is this crucial? No, we don't need that. We won't worry about that right now. We don't care about YouTube help right now. This brand account. Oops. Okay, so here. Huh. Okay. I don't know if we're done. I'm confused. Okay, let's go to Hank. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Okay, try again. Stop. Oop. Oh, I should have probably gone back page instead of canceling it. My channel. Your channel doesn't have content. That's not good. Switch account. Arg. There we go. Okay. So now let's go back to settings. And I think it's this. Thinking. Nope. Not what I wanted. Back up. Won't make that mistake again. Oof. Okay, see all my channels. View additional features.